Brother John. Uy, thank you, Laika.
Second brother to us. Sorry po if minsan pasaway kami at kahit laging offensive mo siya, get tired of telling us and teaching us a lesson. We are very lucky to have you, Mom, again. Thank you very much. You will stay in our hearts and minds. You will always be our advisor. We love you.
Thank you. Laoy, matouch mo kay Colin yung kids.
Happy Valentine's Day to the most awesome people.
Wow, thank you. Salamat, Gwen. Laoy.
Thanks for all you do to inspire us every day. I know it's not easy. I need to express how much you mean to me. You're more than just a second mother. You're like a sibling, a confident and a constant source of love and support. I'm incredibly grateful for all the memories we're shared and the way you're being there for me. Those are all. Whether it's celebrating the good times or lifting up during the good times. You're always been my side. Yours keep kindness, understanding, and in my care mean the world to me. On this special day, I want to remind you of how much you are loved and appreciate your presence in my life. Brings so much joy and love and can't imagine doing your life without you. You have a way of life, my spirit, and making moments feel so here's to another year of laughter, inside jokes, and unforgettable and adventures. Thank you for being the incredible person that you are and you was my second mother.
Thank you, Clifford. Salamat, Clifford. Isa ka man ni Clifford. Guwapa kay Clifford. So nice. I love it.
This year, we appreciate the effort you put into making our learning experience enjoyable and rewarding. We are grateful for the knowledge and skills you have provided along the way. Your guidance and encouragement have been instrumental in helping us to achieve high grades. We are grateful for the care and attention you have given to each and every one of us, and for the extra time and effort you have put into helping us success. We are grateful for your patience, kindness, and enthusiasm, and for the positive impact you have had on our life. Thank you for being an amazing teacher and for all that you do for us. We truly appreciate it. Happy Valentine's Day, Mom.
Thank you, Rina Fe. Salamat, Dan. Thank you. Happy birthday, Sister! Oh, kanta. Okay.
With you I see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this true. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we